Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do my first project of 100 Python project challenge. And for the first project I choose the calculator. First we should do a menu to show it to user and learn what they are gonna do. They are gonna do addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. So for menu I should use while loop because if I don't use while loop after one calculation, the calculator gonna stop and you don't wanna do that. First, in while loop, I'm gonna print the calculations. First, addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, division, and user can quit from the calculator, so I should add quit to now. Now I should make user choose one of these and put user input into a variable to understand what user wanna do. Choose a calculation. After this I can add a line break, I guess. Yeah. Now I should understand what user wanna do, and for this I should use if else loop. Um, Python takes input as a string. So if I don't add anything here, it will act to input like a string. So I should keep that in mind. If user choose first calculation, we should do addition. Oh, I forget something. Yeah, I forget to add numbers. We should take numbers too. This one will hold the first number. This variable will hold the first number, and this one will hold the second number. Yeah, and also I shouldn't forget make this to integer because as I said, it will take it as a string. Default, it will take it as a string. Yeah, that's okay. Now if user choose once, then it should print sorry, number one plus number two. Yeah. Um, yeah, okay, that's all right. If choose elif, I should use elif because if I use another if, it's not gonna work. This is not, it is not what I want. If user choose second option, it should print number one minus number two. Yeah. If user choose Second option, third option, it should print number 1 multiplication number 2. Right. And if user choose fourth option, it should print number 2. Right. And if user choose fifth option, it should print quitting. Sorry. Yeah, I guess that's it. And for else, please answer a valid number. Yeah, we are getting first number and second number. After that, we are printing the menu. Then user choose one of these calculations. If user choose first calculation, we will do addition. If user choose second option, we will do code will do a subtraction. If user choose third option, it will do a multiplication. If user choose fourth, yeah, I guess that's the logic. Now I should try if it works or not. First number, I'm entering 1, and second number I am entering 3. If I choose addition, uh, mm, I took numbers in while loop and that caused to enter numbers again and again. I should fix that and I will carry them here to, yeah, yeah. Now it should work better. I'm entering first number, I'm entering second number. I'm choosing a calculation. If I choose addition, yeah, it works. Now I will choose subtraction. It minus 2, yeah, it works. Yes, it works. I choose multiplication. Yep. Division. Mm, yeah, it works. And if I choose quit, uh, I didn't quit because I didn't add break here. I should fix that too. Yep. Now I should check quit again. Yep, that's it. That's, yeah, I guess that's it. So this is end of my first video and first project. I'm planning to do 100 projects about Python, but I hope I can do all of them. So we will see you again in next video.